Listen, banana pudding has a competition. Today I'm making a peach pudding that is creamy, layered, and absolutely addictive. If you love easy desserts that look fancy but comes together simple, stay right here because this one is good. Hey y'all, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making a peach pudding. Think banana pudding vibes, but with the sweet, juicy peaches. This one is creamy, comforting, and perfect for any occasion. Let's start with the peaches. This is where all that flavor comes in. You're going to add some butter to a pan. Grab you some peaches. Add in a half a cup of brown sugar and then a half a cup of white sugar. A tablespoon of vanilla extract. And now you're going to add in some cinnamon. And don't be stingy with cinnamon. And then we're going to add in some nutmeg. Now you want to be easy on that nutmeg. Now we're going to give it a good stir and let it get nice and bubbly. Now we're going to work on that pudding base to get it smooth and creamy. First, we're going to start with 2 cups of whole milk, then a half a pack of vanilla pudding, and a half a pack of cheesecake pudding. Then we're going to add some more cinnamon, another pinch of nutmeg, and some vanilla extract. Now let's give it a nice whisk, and then we're going to add in some cream cheese. You want to make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature. Your pudding mixture should have started to thicken up by now, and now we are going to get that cream cheese smoothed in there nicely. Now we're going to add in some Cool Whip, and you just want to fold that in. Now we're just going to start the layering and layer it just like that classic banana pudding. Cookies, pudding, and peaches, and then repeat. Then I added some Chessman cookies and repeated the process. Now we're going to top it off with some more chessmen. Get it all covered on that top. Wrap it up and put it in your fridge overnight. And there you have it, your peach pudding. Now enjoy, and don't forget to leave me a comment if you would like peach pudding or prefer banana pudding. Bye for now.